everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Duck curry is all ready. Delicious duck curry. Very easy to make, and it's super tasty and super delicious. How to make such a delicious duck curry? I will show it to you, and let's get started. The ingredients I'm going to use to make a delicious, tasty duck curry. It's a 5-pound duck. I'm going to cut into smaller pieces. Then we're going to wash with cold water. Ginger, garlic, green chili, 2 teaspoons each, finely chopped, 2 tomatoes and 1 onion. We're going to use 1 cup water for curry. If you need a running gravy, then you always can add more water. Vegetable oil for tadka, tomato sauce, we're going to use a half cup. Cumin seed, salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirt, cumin powder, coriander powder, Garam Masala. It's 1 teaspoon each. 2 teaspoon dry cilantro, which is dhania. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin. Mix it. Give like 10 seconds. Now add garlic. And ginger. Mix it. We're going to cook for a half minute until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Cooking for half minute. Now add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until onions are nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Now we're going to add green chili. Mix it well. Cook green chili along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking green chili with tadka for 1 minute. Now add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes so that tomatoes get tender. With the cover lid, cooking for 3 minutes. Mix it. Check the tomatoes, they are nicely tender. So after mixing it well, now we're going to add spices. Salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri mirt, cumin powder, coriander powder, and mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Now add tomato sauce. Half cup tomato sauce. Mix it well. After mixing it well, cook tomato sauce for 2 minutes. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking tomato sauce with tadka for 2 minutes. Add duck meat. Nicely cut and wash with cold water. Mix it well. Once the tadka is nicely combined, keep it moving and keep cooking on high gas for 10 minutes. cooking for 10 minutes on high flame with open lid. Now we're going to add water. One cup. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, add Garam Masala. Mix it again. It's nicely combined. Bring your gas to medium. Cover with the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes, open the lid, stir it so it won't get burned at the bottom. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking with the cover lid. I did open it twice and I stirred it. Mix it again. If you need a running gravy, you can add more water. If we check the meat, it's a little firm. If we check the breast meat, that's nicely cut through. After mixing it well, bring your gas to simmer, cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. Another 10 minutes on low gas. Mix it. Duck curry is all ready. And now the last ingredient, cilantro. I'm using dry cilantro. You always can use fresh cilantro. Mix it well. Turn off your gas. And we're going to dish out. This is the perfect gravy. This is the way I like gravy. So it's all ready. I have my serving tray ready and I'm going to dish out. Delicious duck curry. Very easy to make and it's super tasty and super delicious. This is very tasty, very delicious. This is a perfect gravy. Let me share with you. Duck curry recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. And serve with hot roti.